Hey friends, here we are given alpha, beta, gamma are roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equals 0. This is a cubic equation. Then we have to prove 1 minus alpha square times 1 minus beta square times 1 minus gamma square equals to 1 plus q whole square minus p plus r whole square. Right. So alpha, beta, gamma are roots of this equation. What does this mean? This means this equation is equal to x minus alpha times x minus beta times x minus gamma. Okay. Now, this 1 minus alpha square means if you look at this, there is a small hint here. What is 1 minus alpha square? This is 1 square minus alpha square. 1 minus alpha times 1 plus alpha. Okay, that is what it is about. Now, this equation, we can write this as x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. If we substitute x here, 1 in place of x, what will you get? 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta, 1 minus gamma. Okay, which is half of this. Okay, we still want 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta, 1 plus gamma. Then, if you substitute minus 1 here in place of x, then what we get? Minus 1 minus alpha, minus 1 minus beta, minus 1 minus gamma. Okay, that means minus 1 minus alpha, minus 1 minus beta, minus 1 minus gamma. If you take minus 1 out on all the three places, then this becomes minus 1 into minus 1 plus alpha, then again minus 1. So this becomes minus 1 square. Again minus 1. This becomes minus 1 cube, which is equal to minus 1 only. So this becomes 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta, 1 plus gamma. Right. This is what we are looking for. Okay. When I substitute x equals 1 here, we are getting 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta, 1 minus gamma. Okay. That means that should be equal to when x equals 1, 1 plus p plus q plus r. Okay. When x equals 1. Similarly, when x equals minus 1, what will this become? This will become minus 1 plus p minus q plus r. This should be equal to minus of 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta, 1 plus gamma. What does that mean? If you cancel this minus, this one is equal to minus of 1 minus p plus q minus r. Okay. So this minus and this minus will cancel. We'll be left with 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta, 1 plus gamma is equal to 1 minus p plus q plus r. You want 1 plus q whole square minus p plus r whole square. What does this mean? This means 1 plus q, a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus p plus r times 1 plus q minus p minus r. Okay, this product is basically this, a plus b into a minus b. Now we have got two equations, when x equals 1 and x equals minus 1, these two equations. If we multiply these two, left hand side is formed. Right, this is clear. 1 minus alpha, 1 plus alpha. Left hand side is 1 minus alpha square, 1 minus beta square, 1 minus gamma square. Here, what about this one? Here, this is equal to 1 plus q plus p plus r. This is equal to 1 plus q minus, this is equal to 1 plus q minus p plus r. This is equal to 1 plus q plus p plus r. This one is this and this one is this. Again, a plus b into a minus b. This becomes 1 plus q whole square minus p plus r whole square, which is what it is about. 1 plus q whole square minus p plus r whole square. Very simple problem. Only trick here is to express this in terms of x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma, and see this is 1 minus alpha into 1 plus alpha. So we should observe this closely and substitute 1 and minus 1 to get this left hand side. Similarly, reading this 1 plus q and reading this as a square minus b square. Okay, guys. Thank you.